Welcome to the ultimate, comprehensive guide and master lesson to recording Let's Plays. I'm going to learn you. I'm going to get a bit more detailed here. We are using the GeForce Experience. It's simple to use and it works pretty well. You don't need the best of the best shit to do this. GeForce Experience is a free piece of software that records game footage. You can also optimize your game settings automatically based on what works best with your PC. It updates your drivers as well, so keep your fucking graphic card drivers updated. Christ! It has many features, I'm not going to go through all of them, but it is a pretty nice piece of software. Okay, recordings. You have a second hard drive. Save your recordings on it. Many computers, especially laptops, come with solid state hard drives now. It is better to save your videos on a second hard drive to save space on the SSD. Constantly saving video files to your SSD will shorten its lifespan as well. So save both of these folders to a physical second drive. What the fuck do I mean by that? Some PCs and laptops partition the drive into smaller drives. These partitions are still on the same physical hard drive but are made to act like they are separate hard drives. Make sure you save your videos to a separate drive if you have the option. Here you can control the recorded audio settings. You want to record 2 separate audio tracks. This will keep your microphone track separate from everything else. If you are recording just yourself, this works out well. But if you're also recording your friends, you run into issues. In the editing room, you can adjust the volume, make cuts, EQ, and do all these things to your voice track. But if you recorded your friends as well, you can't do that. The party chat is mixed in with the game audio. That is the downside of this setup. You need to adjust your audio levels for the game and the party chat so that they're balanced, because you can't do it after it's recorded with this setup. Play around with the video capture settings. They're pretty self-explanatory. Find something that works best for you and your system.